Hey guys, Bobby J from Rislone. Real quick message today just to reach out to anybody that might be dealing with a car issue, whether it's you or somebody you know. Our customer service team is available Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern. They can be reached at 1 800 345 6572. We've been getting calls from people wondering what to do with their car because they're not going to be driving. Guys, we're all under quarantine right now. We are not driving. Cars are sitting. So customers and people are worried about what's going to happen to their car. How can they take care of it? We've been suggesting things like our fuel treatment for that gas tank that might be sitting for a little bit. Those engines that we're not running them every day, but we still want to protect. Something like our engine treatment would be ideal. So guys, if there's anything in any way that we can help with your vehicle for you or somebody you know, give us a call. Again, 1-800-345-6572 for product recommendations, advice on the car, or just general questions that you guys may have. We're here and available to take your call. Guys, it's a weird time, but we'll get through it together. We just kind of got to do our part for now. So be well. We'll talk soon.